We're swapping by with my buddy right now. He's on my S1K, and I'm taking his R6 and see how this responds. Oh wow, it is so light. I forgot how light this bike is. Yeah, yes sir. It definitely feels different though. Feels different. Oh yeah. Oh shit, okay, that's definitely different. Oh my gosh, he's still different, man. Last time I had this bike, there's no tune on it, and now it was like so much responsive. Oh shit. Wow. Oh shit. Wow. Yeah. But yet it still is so nimble though. I mean, the bike already got tuned, but it feels so nimble still. Light. I mean, you can literally throw the bike into the corner. Although I'm so used to the S1K now though, the brakes on this could sure use an upgrade. The front brake isn't responsive enough. But the acceleration is crazy though. Way better than before. Oh my god, now I can see why people love R6 so much. Wow, that's a lot of fun. This bike is a lot of fun. Wow. My goodness. That makes me happy, man. This bike makes me happy. That's crazy. If I have a simple tune, can really change on how this thing performs. That's impressive. That is crazy. It's a fun bike. Sure miss it though. Well, what gear were you in? And how did it respond? Did you get a chance to push it at all?
No.
Oh my god, that is different. When I had it, it's a little bit more like sluggish. Like third gear, you would have just punch it and then you would just, it kind of creep it until like 10 and then just pulls. But this thing is like, it's very responsive. I like it. It was like, all I was like, woo, shit, woo. That was fun. It's a fun bike. Ah, shit, so many cars. Too many cars. What? Where is Roland? Where the hell is Roland? Hey guys, I don't see Roland. Hey! Shit. Hey, stop. I don't see Roland. I don't see Roland. Keep going a little bit to see if we can turn around. I don't see him. Shit. Rolling? Well, rolling? You copy? Shit. Ah, bro. You okay? Right? What happened? What the heck? What? Hey Ruben, can you park your bike right here? Park your bike right here, and then slow down the traffic. Fuck. Are you okay? Yeah. Shit. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Let's just straighten up this bike. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. Okay. We're good, bro. Thank you. Thank you. You just coming too hot? Yeah. You definitely made it through all that though, and then you looks like you probably slammed something here. Too what? I think I just hit the whip spot. Let's see. Looks like he's okay. He's walking around. Okay, will the bike start up? At least we can be in a safer spot. This is really dangerous spot. Let's see if you can start the bike. Let's stand, bro. Start. Boom. Yeah, you ready to go? All right, bro. Let's go up and then see if we can find like a safe spot for us to park, and then we'll assess the whole situation and what we need to do. How you doing, Roland? Are you okay? Okay. Not too bad. Not too bad. Okay, good. All right, just take it easy, and then I'll follow you. Yeah, on a weekend like this, I can't see the tow truck any cheaper than $300-400. At least the good thing is nothing is leaking.